In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Google Chrome browser. So it is quite simple. If you want to update your Google Chrome, just tap on these three dots here and then go ahead and tap on help. And on help, we have an option called about Google Chrome. And here now, if you tap on it, you can see we have Google Chrome has begun to update. It will go ahead and check for the updates if they are available and then update it to the latest version. And this will take a little bit of time. So once it's done, it will go ahead and give you an option to relaunch the app here to the latest version that we have updated. And here we go. The update is done. And now it's time to relaunch. I'll go ahead and click on relaunch. And this will go ahead and relaunch the app to the latest version that has been updated. And now look, here is our new Google Chrome that has just been relaunched. So if I tap on a new tab, I'll get the latest Google Chrome browser. So that's how you update your Google Chrome browser to the latest version. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.